Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your home address in Google Map using your phone. So let's jump right into it. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi or data. After connecting your device to the internet, simply open first Google Map application. After opening here, you will see the profile icon in the top right corner. As you can see mine here, simply click on it. After clicking here, select your data in map option, or if you don't see it, go to the simply settings. As you can see, here is mine, your data in maps. Simply click on it. After clicking here, scroll below and you will see the option called home and old address. Simply click on home and you can choose where is your home on the map. Suppose my home is here, and click it save, and you can give your home address your name and you can simply save it. Tap save. Your home address is now updated and will be quick for navigation and weather info, and that's how you update your home address in Google Map using your phone. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.